yeah. Island breeze so sweet. Samoa, you're my heartbeat, yeah. Sunrise kissing on the ocean blue, golden sandy beaches calling me and you. Coconut trees sway soft in the wind, drums of the island start to play again. Families laughing by the village shore, children running through the valley door. Aloha in the air, you can feel it strong. This is the land where my soul belongs. Samoa is a paradise in the Pacific, warm hearts and the rhythm so mystic. Feel the tide and the vibe so terrific. Samoa, you're my paradise in the Pacific. Paradise in the Pacific. Lava fields telling ancient tales, warriors sailing on the mighty sails. From Upolu down to Tamaiti side, every mountain, every wave got pride. Church bells ringing on a Sunday morn, taros in the ground, breadfruit down the lawn. Family circle, we all kneel and pray, thank the Lord for another day. Samoa is a paradise in the Pacific, warm hearts and the rhythm so mystic. Feel the tide and the vibe so terrific. Samoa, you're my paradise in the Pacific. Paradise in the Pacific. Under the moonlight, bonfire glow, reggae on the speaker, let the blessing flow. Stars in the sky spell hello from my peace in my heart when I hear that sigh of ocean waves rolling to the coral reef. Island love, giving my soul relief. For us Samoa in the way we live, respect and love is the gift we give. From the carver bowl to the tattoo line, every culture mark is a sacred sign. So when the world feels cold and gray, I know a place where the night meets day, where the sea sings low and the palms swing high, and the spirit of the island never dies. Samoa is a paradise in the Pacific, warm hearts and the rhythm so mystic. Feel the tide and the vibe so terrific. Samoa, you're my paradise in the Pacific.